Today we are going to do something different. Right now, I am between two of my students, Oititjo and Oishitrina. So here we are going to see a role play. The role play is that she is a fresher in spoken English class, and she has butterflies in her stomach, and she has sweaty palms right now, and in fact she's shrinking in fear. Okay, and here there is another girl. She is a regular student of this batch, and she will actually encourage this girl. So that's what you have to do. Okay.
So, Itijjo, this is my first class in this institute, so I am feeling very nervous. So, please, you sit in my beside. So,
Yes, of course. And I will tell you that don't be nervous. And when I first came here, I was also thinking that what teacher will tell me, what types of questions teacher will ask me, and you can say that full of mixture of various types of questions. So when I came and gave my self introduction, I was also not able to give fully the self introduction. I only spoke 3 or 4 sentences there, and that was enough. And even I didn't speak that too good. I mean, only my name, my father's name, or my mother's name, even not that good, even in the good way, you can say. But later, I didn't expect that our teacher just encouraged us a lot, and their teacher was speaking too good to me that I can do it, I will have to do it, I will have to come out from my nervousness and all. But I will say that don't be nervous. This is your first class. You just
Yes.
try. You just try to speak 3 or 4 sentences, whatever you want to say. No one will judge you here. You are here for learning, and teacher will guide you.
I understand Itijjo, but I see that everyone seated in this class, and each of one person went to middle in the center, and they all gave their self introduction, and they also told many of various questions. I have no idea in this topic, so I am feeling very nervous. And you are also all students in this class, so you suggest me some idea which I have to use in this class.
I will first say that overcome nervousness. Well, you will be habitual with this class, and then you will just by yourself you will say that no, I will have to do it, I can do it. Well, from this class you will get a positive vibe that you can do it, no one can stop you. So I will just say, just whatever you can say, just say there,
But
just
you
stand
already
in front of
practice
him.
this. You already practice this. I have no practice.
It's okay, no one practice in the first day. Just go and stand, that is enough, that is enough.
My hands and legs already starting to shake.
On the first day, my hands were also shaking, and I was also sweating a lot that day. But still, I stood there and I was trying to speak, and that was enough. That is like an achievement.
So I told that this is your very old class, and you already practice this. I have no practice, so what?
No, it is wrong. See, I practiced it because I know that what was the task, the last class of the last class, and you are new here. When I also came here for the first time, I also didn't know that what I will have to say and what I will have to do. I just gave my self introduction there, and as you are new today, you will also have to give your self introduction. Just speak whatever you want to say about yourself, and then come and take it like it is your achievement, because this is your first time you are coming here and you are standing in front of everyone.
So I have some questions to you.
Sure.
That when I have no topic and I went to the middle and I have no idea for this topic, then sir punished ourselves or encouraged him?
No.
Because these ideas I have to thought, and my hand was started to
Yes,
shake.
yes, yes. The same thing I was thinking when I was joining this class for the first time. But later I saw that when I was not even able to speak one sentences one sentence too good. That time teacher encouraged me a lot that I can do it. Even a positive vibe was coming from the teacher that yes, you can do it and I can do it. Everyone can do it. So why I can't do it?
That's mean you told that this environment is very good.
Of course, you will get a positive vibe from yourself and you will understand that this class is too much peaceful.
Oh, that's mean no one does not discourage.
No, no, no. No one will judge you here. You are here for learning. And we all believe in this, that we are here for learning. People do mistakes. And from that mistake, people learn. Sorry.
So this is a very good class, but this is my first class. So
Don't be nervous. I will say you just speak whatever you want to say and whatever you feel. And you are standing in front of everyone. I am saying this again and again. You are standing there. That is your first achievement and that is so good. And that is
So,
the starting point.
you told that. So you told that in your first day, which topics, which lines you say in your self-introduction? Because I have no idea. Because I told to what is my father's name, mother's name, what is my name, and where I'm coming from. But this is your day. Which lines you?
Well, I
told them?
didn't even say that where I'm coming from. I only told about my name, the class, and my school, and my parents' name. Even not that good way. Like I was too much nervous. Even was not able to speak too good, and I was trembling. Even in the middle of the way, I stopped speaking. Then teacher started encouraging me a lot, and from that time I thought that I will have to do, and
This is very good in this environment. But when I came here, I saw many of eldest brother and sister, and here I am very small of them. So they all are very mature. So so what's your opinion that I can do or not?
Of course, you can do. Everyone is here for learning, and you are also here for learning. Let them do their work as they are mature and they can do this, so they are doing. And you are new here, so you need time. But it is not like that you can't do it. Yes, you can do it, but you need time, you need practice. But of course, one day you will achieve this.
So I have some few questions that in this class, which topics sir learned to us? That's only self-introduction or
Yes, for you, it is only self-introduction. And from the next day, we'll have to do your task.
okay. So what type of tasks sir already gave us?
Today, as we are old students, we will have to express that how we had felt on our first day of this spoken English class.
Okay, this is only spoken English or sir teaching us grammar? Not
Yes, of
only
course,
spoken.
of course.
Sir teaching us grammar.
Yes.
This is very good point of this class.
On Monday, our teacher teaches us the grammatical part, and on Wednesday, teacher teaches us about spoken English classes. I mean, spoken English means on various types of topics. Like today, it was a speech day. Like you can give speeches and you can say anything you want, and that is only for grammatical practice.
But
Monday is
my topic is what type of skills sir teaches us? Only spoken English or grammatical or
both.
okay? And communication,
Of
interview.
course, everything.
Okay, can these type of videos I see in this social media? So I thought sir teaches us or not.
Yes, yes. Teacher teaches us everything, and he teaches us with full of affection.
So this class is very helpful for us, and this institute is very good for us,
Yes.
which is helps us to
Yes, yes.
learn a better spoken English
Yes,
for
of
others.
course. When you will become old, you will just say from yourself that you are getting the positive vibe and you can also do it. As you are new here, you are feeling nervous, and I will say that don't be nervous. Just speak whatever you want to do and just be yourself and free.
It was really a very good performance. Okay, very
you, sir.
good, very good. High five, high five, high five. Good, very good.